Hi, how to flip a video horizontally. So here I've got a surf clip here of this surfer going from left to right, and the surfer is a world famous surfer. I want to try to emulate what he's doing, but he's actually a regular footed surfer, so I need to flip the video the other way around so my feet are in the same position. So to do this, you get your video clip in the timeline, you click on this icon here to change the view. So it's called event, pan and crop. You can either click on that, if you can't see it, then right mouse, video, event, pan and crop. Okay, now to flip it, I do a right mouse on the picture and I flip horizontal. So you can see now it's starting at the other side. So this is exactly what I want. So I close that. So now when I play the clip again, see he's now the other way around, and so the wave's the other way. It's exactly what I want to see. So that's how you flip a whole video horizontally. Hope that makes sense.